Content creation has been made so easy by AI, and many creators utilizing AI are making tons of money on YouTube. Now look at this channel, Bible in a Nutshell. This channel has less than 1 million views just by uploading AI animated videos. And in this video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step process on how to create your own animated video, which you can use and make tons of money on YouTube. And this video is going to take us 5 steps. And the first step is to generate our story. I'm going to prompt ChatGPT to generate my story for me. I just pasted in my prompt here. I told ChatGPT to write a story about a young boy named Jake. He's 7 years old who wandered into a mystic forest. You can just put in your own idea, not necessarily it will be mine. And also at the end, I told ChatGPT that make this video engaging, entertaining, and use a simple English. I need a simple English. So I'm going to click generate. Okay, you can see ChatGPT just generated my story. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to break this into scene. So I just prompted ChatGPT to break this story into video scenes and make it 10 scenes. I just need 10. You can make yours 5, 20. Depends on your choice. So ChatGPT just generated our scene for us. You can see from scene 1 to scene 10. I'm going to prompt ChatGPT to generate image prompts for each scene. ChatGPT just generated our image prompts for each scene. So the next thing we are going to do is to generate our voiceover. To generate our voiceover, I'll be using minimas.io. I'll come over here, I'll paste my story here, and I'll come over to this place. I'll click on it. You choose any voice of your choice. I'll be choosing captivating stories. I'll select.
Picture this: moonlight, ancient castle, and a mystery waiting to be solved. Let me tell you what happened next.
I'll click on generate speech.
As soon as Jake entered the forest.
Okay, I'll click on download. The next step, which is the third step, is to generate our image. I'll be using Leonardo AI to generate our image. So I'll come over to this dashboard here. I'll go over to image creation. I'll click on image creation. Then come over to this model stroke presets. Click on it. Choose finish 1.0. Then check it and close it by clicking on this X. Make sure that under this image dimension, it is 16:9. Then you come over to this prompt box and be pasting the prompt, the image prompt ChatGPT created for us. I'll paste my prompt here and I'll click generate. You can see our image has been generated. Our image has been generated, and you choose the one you like. Click on this download image and you download. You can see our image here. I'll also download this. So I'm going to paste another prompt for the next image. So I'll be using the same process to generate all our images. We are done generating our images. You can see how consistent they look, how consistent the main character looks. Check. So we'll go over to the next step, and we'll be doing the next step on Canva. So we'll come over to Canva, and I'll come over to video. I'll click on video. I'll click on video landscape. I'll come over to this upload. I'm going to upload our images and also the voiceover. After uploading my images and my voiceover, I'll come over to this place. I'll keep on adding pages. I have 10 scenes, so I'm going to add 10 pages. So I have 10 pages here, and I'll start uploading my images. I'll go over to the upload. the first image. I'll hold over this image and click on Set Image as Background. I'll come over to this same thing. I'll come over to this same page, Upload. I think I have more than 10 images, which I'll be using all of them. Set Image as Background. The next page. So I'll be doing this for all pages. And I'll come over to my upload after uploading my image. I'll come over to my upload and my audio. And I'll upload my voiceover. And I'll listen to it and make sure the voice rhymes with the scenes.
He shouted. There was no answer, only the whisper of the wind. Then, Jake saw tiny paw prints leading into the mystic foresta place, filled with strange trees and hidden secrets. Without thinking twice, he ran in. As soon as Jake entered the forest, a heavy fog rolled in. The trees seemed to move, their branches twisting like arms.
I'm done arranging the scenes to match the voiceover. The next part is to add a music to my video. To do that, you have two options. One, go over to the elements. Then under the audio, you can search on Kids Background Music. Then listen to the music, and anyone that flows with your video, you can then add it to your video. Or you come over to pizzabay.com, you go over to their music, you click on it, then you search for Children Epic Cinematic Music. You can go through the songs, you can listen to it, and anyone that flows with your video, you come over to this download button, download it and upload to your Canva. Okay, I'm done uploading my music to my video.
One evening, as the sun dipped below the hills, Jake, a brave 7-year-old boy, called.
Now, if you want to reduce the music volume, just click on the music bar. You click on the music bar, then you come over to this volume. If you want to increase it, you stretch the volume. If you want to reduce it, you just reduce it like this. Then the next part before we download our video is to animate our scenes. I'll click on each page and I'll go over to animate and I'll click on breathe. So I'm going to use breathe for all pages. I'm going to use breathe for all pages. I'll click on apply to all pages. After animating the pages, the next thing you are going to do is to add transition. To do that, go over to this plus icon. You see this plus icon? Click on it. Then transitions. Then I'll be using match and move. I'll click on match and move. And I'll click on this empty box. Apply between all pages. So you can see transition apply to all pages. So we are going to download our video. To download our video, we'll go over to share, click on share, then click on download. Then make sure that the file type is MP4 video. Then I'll go over to download. Click on download.
One evening, as the sun dipped below the hills, Jake, a brave 7-year-old boy, called out for his dog. Buddy, 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 where are you? He shouted. But there was no answer, only the whisper of the wind. Then, Jake saw tiny paw prints leading into the mystic foresta place, filled with strange trees and hidden secrets.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel.